Hey you guys, this is the Kaizen Man welcoming you to the Kaizen Project, and today's video is about one of my favorite things in the world, and that is coffee. Coffee is something that I've been enjoying now for pretty much my entire life. My mom would feed it to me in instant coffee and milk as I was growing up, so you can pretty much assume that I am addicted to coffee. That being said, coffee is something that I enjoy every morning, and I've tried it in many different ways, and a lot of my friends and people that I know are coming across the ketogenic diet, or they're starting to do intermittent fasting. And intermittent fasting is something I've been doing now for the last 3 years, and if you want to know a little bit more about that, you can go ahead and click the link right here. But intermittent fasting gets a lot harder if you're not drinking caffeine in the morning, because the coffee slows down the appetite and also helps you be more energized, especially in the morning time. So I've come up with my own recipe for a keto coffee. And in the keto coffee, what I do is I first hand grind the beans, and then I make the coffee in the mocha pot, which is a stovetop espresso done Italian style. And I add a little bit of coconut oil and blend it in a magic bullet, because what that does is the coconut oil and the caffeine, they bind together, so when your bloodstream absorbs the caffeine, it's a much slower release of the caffeine, which means you're able to stay energized for a longer time, as opposed to usually when you have a cup of coffee, there's a spike in energy and then there's a crash right after. If you want a slower, more sustained release of energy, then the fat in the coconut oil, or you can use butter as well, helps to kind of prolong that release of caffeine in your bloodstream, which just makes it, that much easier to stay energized without food in your system if you're doing intermittent fasting. And here we are. Cheers. Fresh coffee, ground up with some coconut oil, blended, keto coffee. Start the morning off right. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, it's the Kaizen Man signing out.